What is up, guys? So today we are on play.vastlands.net and currently we are on beta, looks like, and I've heard that this server is the best Skyblock server on MCPE, and I heard that it was really close to Hypixel Skyblock, which is really nice. The IP is right there, Discord and their store. So currently there are 55 total people online. So I think we're gonna I think we should start with the Vastlands tutorial. So let's click the NPC, start tutorial. Welcome to Vastlands. Oh, wow, that's insane. Okay, wow. Okay, let's begin. So that's it, thanks. We got 350 coins for completing the tutorial, which is cool. And so I think it said go through the portal, so I'm gonna do that. Portal, Skyblock. Skyblock 3, because there's no people here. Oh, yo. Okay, there's a dude here. He's shifting. Ooh. So I think I'm gonna make my own island now. So island management, create an island. Let's go for basic island for now. Oh, yo, okay. So yeah, this is actually like Hypixel Skyblock, except in Hypixel you spawn over there in that island right there, and you have to bridge to the portal over here. But yeah, wow, that is great. Okay, I think I'm gonna get some wood for now and bridge over to the other island. So let's just bridge over here, and we have a little plant farm there. Our chest. Ooh, oh yeah. Okay, nice. All right. I'm gonna put my wood there, and I'm gonna chop this tree down. Okay, so we got 13 out of that. Very nice, very nice. Did we get any saplings though? That's kind of worrying me. But I'm not sure if we can buy saplings over at the main island. Over here. I'm gonna check real quick. Oh wait, I think this is the like shop thing. Wait, I'm gonna check. Oh yeah, it is marketplace. So we found a marketplace apparently. We can buy stuff and sell stuff here. Resources, buy tools. Ooh, alchemist. The barn, slaughter, and oh, we slaughter animals. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is dark. Wow, okay. So like just random animal drops just, oh, ew. Okay, I'm out of there. But okay, so let's go over here. What is over here? Oh, this is the, okay. Interesting. And I'm gonna expand my island a bit. Maybe make a cobblestone generator. Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh, generator. My goodness. We expanded our island. I'm gonna make a cobblestone generator somewhere. Maybe over here, maybe. I don't know. I'll make it here. So that's 4 blocks I think, and 1 block over there. Alright, good. And we put water here and we put lava here. Yo, so I actually voted using their website, and I'm not sure what I get, so I'm gonna try doing /vote and see what we get. Oh, okay, so we need to be in the Skyblock, right? Okay, Skyblock 3, and let's see what we get. Oh, hey! Okay. /vote. Vote status. Ooh. Wings. Oh, that's very nice. So we got 10,000 coins. And we got an item called wings, which we can use to fly for 10 minutes. I'm actually gonna save that in my vault for important stuff, so I'm gonna put that in my vault. And I think that's gonna be it for this episode. So yeah, if you guys want another episode of this, or if you guys want me to make this a series, make sure you guys leave a like. I want at least 7 likes if you guys want me to make this a series. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. IPN part is in the description, and peace.